The next part we're going to assemble is the motor 1 arm. This is the main arm that bears most of the weight. It's 42 inches long, and there's some holes, and I've highlighted them with markers so you can see them better. This is where the motor is going to be mounted to. This is the pivot. And then this is where the other arm, the front arm, is going to be attached to. These dots right here. Okay, so first we need to enlarge the holes and mount the motor. This screwdriver is about 3 millimeters in diameter. So I'm just gonna and this screwdriver is slightly larger for these holes. This is the main pivot. Like that. We're going to mount the motor using these 6 millimeter long M3 machine screws, and there are 8 of them. So here is our motor with the connector. We want to face the wire so it's going down the length of the arm, and then we put it through the holes that we just made, and then we'll attach it with these screws. So in the end, you should have your motor attached, like so. Now we want to bend along the creases and make it into the arm, so it has a rectangular profile. One thing to note is that the creases, one side is shorter than the other, so that when you fold it, one way will make a nice looking rectangle, the other way will not. So make sure you have it in a way that all the corners look pretty much square. Okay, now we're going to apply lots of glue and put this arm together. There, so now we have the main arm glued together with the motor on one side. That. Now we're going to assemble the second motor arm, and this piece, which looks like a T, is approximately 17 or 18 inches long. And once again, I've highlighted where the dots are, where the little holes are. We're going to be putting, enlarging the holes here and here. We're going to cut out this section and mount the motors here, and then we're going to add a crease along these dots here. Okay, now I'm going to use a ruler to create creases along those lines. So now we have something that looks like this. We're now going to add the motors here. So we now have the motor mounted, and I'm going to enlarge these holes here. And then we want to glue it together like so. This is the parallel arm, which we're going to assemble next. It's about 32 inches long, and I've highlighted in black the cuts that have already been made. And what we want to do is make some additional cuts, which is highlighted in red on that side. We also want to enlarge these holes on both ends.